While most freelancers are frantically refreshing the Upwork field, hoping to be the first to apply, my AI agent just found me a high-ticket lead. And it didn't just find the job. It's read the description, it's filtered out the spam, and wrote custom proposal based on my portfolio, and sent a link directly to my Telegram on my phone. I built this system from scratch using anything on Airtable, so I'll never search for jobs manually on Upwork again. So guys, I'm Nias from APS and today I'll be showing you exactly how you can build this agent step by step, so you can automate your Upwork lead generation. Alright, here's how the system works on the AI level. We have two triggers right now, the web trigger and the schedule trigger. So the schedule trigger is going to workflow automatically at every hour. So it's going to come to these rapid API nodes. It connects the Upwork job API to rapid API and applies my custom filters where we eliminate the spams and job that doesn't have full descriptions, and actually where it gets interesting. Where the spit out node and some other nodes are. So for job that passes from me, it's going to save the job, filter the job, and it's going to like pull out my past projects, the real work that I've done. The AI is going to have a context in there to carry out the tasks. Then here's where you're going to like merge every stuff together, description, the client details, and my portfolio. This is where I'm going to cover all the job posting and everything that we saved in database. I know it might be a little bit confusing right now, but you understand when I show it back in. So then we are going to enter a book. So for every single job posting, the AI agent is going to read the requirements and write custom proposals based on my actual experience. It's not a template, it's like a real AI generated speech. Though I already gave it a guide in database, but you're going to see what I'm talking about. So wait for a minute. So then you're going to go to the AI agent that creates the proposal. I was speaking that. Then back to the database, you're going to save everything needed inside the database again. You're going to go to the next agent. This agent is just going to clean it up and make a simple summary of how the job is, the job posting, the budget, the requirements, and format it for my Telegram. So then it's going to send the notification to my Telegram on my phone directly. So time the job is done, it's going to like come through this loop and send it to my Telegram. So let me now show you the actual for each know so you understand how everything really connects in the backend. So right now, here is how the system is built. First, we have our triggers. These are the both triggers. I'm using both triggers, the schedule trigger and the web trigger. So set the schedule triggers for maybe every hour in a week or every 8 o'clock in the morning or something like that. So time I wake up 8 o'clock, I'm going to get the job ready for me or something like that. This webbook is just for me to manually trigger it from another app or service. So when I was building this, I thought of a way that I can make everything simpler. So I created a separate schedule. So this is where you are going to trigger the agent instead of you waiting for the schedule trigger at the back end. The way you can do it directly from Airtable to Instead-Bot on that layer. So now this next node is where we put in our queries to feed everything to this node. So this node that connects rapid API Upwork endpoints. I already passed the parameters like the job category, the minimum budget, the posting date, and everything. I already passed it here. So it's going to feed it to the Upwork agent and give me everything based on the contact I fed to it. So then after getting the job, you need to split it out, and these are just some steps for the Airtable to do back end. I'll just show you the Upwork you guys to see how it is, the skill sets, everything, the time, and I'll show you everything on Airtable so you understand how it works. So these are just the Airtable databases, the weights, the node that is going to like pull my past files. Here's the secret source right here. This node is going to pull data from my Airtable database, like where I store every project I've completed, just like the proposals to where I store the proposals, where I store my past project I've completed, details of everything. The AI needs content to write proposals to reference my real work. So these, when we get that, then we are going to merge everything. We are going to run it to the loop. Every detail we've got in the proposal and everything there is going to be formatted here before it's to our agent. So I'll just show you how the agent is real quick. So you can see this is the prompt message, job posting details, the proposal samples, and our past projects portfolio. Just give you the system prompt. So you are an expert of work, proposal writer, you are highly skilled. So analyzing job posting, identifying client pain points, and creating personalized, compelling proposal to demonstrate to them this is why maintaining the authentic professional voice that mirrors proven system. So like this is the objective. This is basically the prompt that does the hard work. I give it some things here, personalized to specific job posting, blah blah blah, and everything like that. So that's what's there in the agent, and we are using Proud model Anthropic Sonnet 4.5. A very good model for you to use when you are doing something like this. So we get from these agents, we are going to save it. Our proposal is going to be saved. We are going to fetch the details we need again. So I build this because I build this system granularly, so step by step. So anytime I do something, I save it, then I pull it back. So I'm going to make it more error prone that way. Now I fetch all the details back then, I send to this new LLM. So this agent creates clean summary for the job title, the budget, and it's going to be formatted and summarized, and it's going to send the part to my Telegram. So this is like the end point of where everything is. Since you already have a loop here, I'm able to get 5 jobs. I'm going to like do that 5 times consequently. I'm going to be getting on my Telegram. So I'll just show you the interface. Send notification, everything is going to get saved here. Those are the job title, the timestamp, everything you need is going to here. So you can have access to it from here. The agents, this is like the agents, the 2 agents that we are using here. For reference, these 2 separate agents and these are another one. So these 2 agents are here. The first one with multiple queries and the second one with single query. So these are the job posting we've gotten so far. For the time I was still using it, 8 hourly fixed, $60 and everything like that. So here are the proposal samples. Actually, I still struggle with proposal samples. I don't know if anyone that is very good with Upwork have a particular proposal that works for them. They can help me out. I don't mind. So these are the proposal samples I fed into the agents, and this one I got from Claude actually. So these are the projects that just 3 out of the projects I've done before. I just added it here. So here is going to have context. So this the full gig context, like the much is just like the full. It's similar to the full job posting. I don't know why I have it here. It's like I'm my room later. So it's just where the job posting it is, and then anything automation specialist. This is the proposal I generated. So query search agent. This is the most important part. Like the queries. When you want to search for a job on Upwork, you need to feed it queries. So now I'm an anything developer, so I'll just put anything in this skill and skills. Some pages can be $10. The max budget can be $30, and if it's a fixed price gig, maybe $50 minimum and $1,000. So the intermediate, you can set it here, entry intermediate expert. But let's just leave that it is. So this is the query for the second agent. So you can see anything. So if you want to add location, this is not editable. Now let me just show you how it looks on my. Let's go to my Telegram right now. Here's my feed. You can see last time I triggered it was December 16th. It's been a while. So agents 1, multiple queries, title, NSN workflow, version, existing so far. So we are thinking about an experienced NSN specialist to install and activate an existing enter flow in our N10 instance. Posted as 15 December. Budget fixed, total budget 100. So this is the job URL. If I click on this, it's going to take us to the job posting. If it's still available, not then it's gone. Now, you can click on this Airtable. This is going to take us to the interface where all our proposals are. So I click on this right now. This is the second one, first agent. The total budget is 500. The agent 2, title AI automation specialist, and the 10 level labs for layer for social media content. We are seeking an experienced AI automation video specialist to design and implement AI video flows using anything.io and videos. It was posted December 16, 20 per hour, location Dubai, job posting, and this is the Airtable database. If I click on this, it's going to bring us to our projects database. As Upwork, I think the job is gone, and I have no legends from my Upwork. Pass down that. So guys, that's the full system. If you want to build this for yourself, here's exactly what you need. You need an editing account, improve feeds here, or a self-hosted one on cloud. You also need an Upwork router API key. I actually advise people to get Upwork router because it has other LLM models you can use. And you need a rapid API subscription. That's where you get our speaker from for the Upwork agents. And Airtable database, that's where we store all the necessary details related to the project. Now, I'm not expecting everyone to watch this and go build this today. The point of this video I'm showing you guys is to let you know what's actually possible. Most people think automation means simple API workflows, but with the right tools and the right creativity and the right systems, you can automate the entire business processes. If you see value in this and you want to build a system like this for your own business, or you don't have the time or technical background to build it for yourself, just reach out. I've linked my agency email down in the description. We build custom AI workflows and systems like this for clients. But whether you build it yourself or you hire someone to do it, the key is for you to start thinking the system. Why are they manually right now that I think an AI agent can add? So if this gave you ideas, drop your comments down below and let me know where you automate first. And if you want more breakdown like this, hit the subscribe button. I'm reading in public and sharing everything I know around the way. So once more, I'm Nians from FPSAI, your automation buddy. Thanks for watching. Keep building and I'll see you in the next one.